Hall of Fame is truly something special as we honor local thrift excellence from right across the province in 5 different categories. The first ever class inducted into the Thrifting Hall of Fame are, for DIY of the Year, Charlene Kia. Charlene owns Kennedy with Love on Instagram and has turned her love of thrifting into a full-time job, taking discarded furniture and making it beautiful again. For antique finds, Kelton Libich. Kelton has found amazing items at Goodwill, including Disney memorabilia, trading cards, comic books, vintage clothing, sports jerseys, and tons of rare Coca-Cola merchandise. If Kelton isn't at home, he's thrifting, and often visits a thrift store 1 to 3 times per week. For home decor hero, Ashley and Heather Bitt. Ashley and Heather are sisters who share the same love of thrifting with each other. Their homes are filled with only thrifted decor and furniture. Everything is secondhand. For donor of the year, Doreen Essihos. Doreen donated so many items she felt she owned part of Goodwill. In addition to donating to Goodwill, Doreen is also an avid thrifter herself. She likes to thrift as she loves finding both useful and unique items. For honorary donor of the year, College Hunks, hauling junk and moving. College Hunks is a proud partner of Goodwill and a contributor to Goodwill's sustainability initiatives through donations. Hunks stands for honest, uniformed, nice, knowledgeable, and service. For fashionable finds, Emily Gagnon. Emily has a gift for finding incredible vintage and pre-loved clothing and sharing those finds with the world. Emily owns MXM LST Collection, Maximal Impact with Minimal Imprint, which is an online boutique specializing in vintage, styling, and handmade accessories. Be proud to be the first ever class to be immortalized forever. Congratulations to everyone who submitted photos, videos, and stories of why you or your friends were nominated. Thank you once again for your support of the Goodwill Thrifting Hall of Fame, honoring local thrift excellence.